Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're going to show you best sites to download PC games for free legally. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now, let's get right into it. When it comes to downloading PC games, many people turn to illegal websites which can put their devices at risk of malware and viruses. However, there are several reputable websites that offer free games legally. In this tutorial, we will explore the best sites to download PC games for free and legal. As you can see right now on our screen, we have Steam, Epic Games, Riot Games, Ubisoft, and Blizzard Entertainment. I know all of you know, or most of you know, all of these websites over here because they are very famous game stores. So, we're going to talk about them one by one. These are all game stores that are legal and has free games available in their stores. So, we're going to check them out. Our first store, which is called SteamPower.com, also known as Steam, is one of the best stores in the internet. They offer thousands and hundreds of different games for different peoples to use. As you can see here, they also have new and trending so that you would be able to see new games that are trending at the same time. As you can see here, these are all new games. Some are paid and some are free, as you can see here. If you would like to play games that are only for free, we're going to check them out later. On the top sellers over here, as you can see, there are free-to-play games available in this category as well. Why? Because they also offer in-game items that you can buy. That's why they are on the top sellers over here, because lots of people are buying their in-game materials. So if you disable this, you would be able to see only the paid games over here. Right now, the top seller is Age of Wonders 4 over here. You can also check out the popular upcoming over here and specials. Now to check out the free games available in Steam, we're going to scroll up and you're going to click on categories over here. Under categories, this is where you're going to see all the different genres that we have, the themes, the player support, and the special selection over here. Under special selection, you could see that we have free-to-play option over here. We're simply going to click this and we would be redirected to this page where we will be able to see the free games available in Steam. As you can see here on our featured list, we can see right now, these are the most popular free games available in Steam. We have Counter-Strike Global Offensive, Apex Legends, Destiny 2, PUBG Battlegrounds, War Thunder, Warframe, One Punch Man, and many more over here. As you can see, a lot of these games that we talked about just now are very famous, and I know a lot of you have heard of them in either YouTube or Twitch, because lots of people are playing them and a lot of people are uploading videos about these games and even live streaming them. Scrolling down, you would be able to see a list of the different games. As you can see here, we have a list, and we could click on show more so that we would be able to see more options or more games that we could play absolutely for free, just like this. And if you would like to filter out your result, you can simply click on narrow by over here, and you would be able to see filters that you could apply to our list. You could filter it by casual, action, adventure, strategy, and all of this option. You could also filter out them by genre, subgenre, visuals and viewpoints, themes and moods, features, players, types, platform, language, content descriptor, and price. You could also check out the new and trending, the all items, top sellers, top rated, and popular upcoming, similar to what we saw earlier. Now, there are hundreds and thousands of different games uploaded to Steam that you could play absolutely for free. They are filled with games that are newly developed, and you would be able to download a lot of games legally and absolutely for free in this section and in this store. Now, let's check out Epic Games. Epic Games Store is also very famous for their free games and different games that they sell. As you can see here, they sell a lot of different games. There are also games that are on sale over here that would save you a lot of money if ever the specific game that you would like to buy is on sale. As you can see here, they have 20% off 25% off, and even 30% off. Scrolling down, as you can see here, they have free games over here. The thing I like about Epic Games is sometimes they have programs that allow you to buy games that are absolutely for free, meaning that they would be giving free games away or games that are usually paid, but they would be giving them for free. And usually they would do this for a duration of a week, and they would give away a game every day. And this is how I got my GTA 5 absolutely for free under Epic Games Store. Now, if you would like to see their free games, you can simply click on View More over here, and we would be redirected to this page. As you can see, in this top part, you would be able to see the games that are free currently, depending on their program. And over here, you have their free-to-play games available for us. As you can see, we have World of Warship, The Sims, PUBG, Destiny 2, Fall Guys, and many more games over here. As you can see, it's not as many as our Steam over here, but still, there is a lot of games that you can play absolutely for free. And just like what I said earlier, sometimes they will give away games that are usually paid, just like Breath Edge over here. Now moving on, we can also check out Riot Games. Riot Games is also very famous for their games. As you can see here, the different games that they have are League of Legends, Valorant, Team Tactics, League of Legends Wild Rift, and Legends of Runeterra over here. If you would like to play one of these games, you can simply go to Riot Games and you would be able to download and install these games directly in this website. And just like I said earlier, and in Riot Games, there are also fewer games. So unlike Steam that has a lot of games, Riot Games only offers the games that we have just talked about right now. Another game store is called Ubisoft Store. In Ubisoft Store, there is also a lot of games that are free and paid as well. We can check out the free games available in Ubisoft by clicking on Video Games and clicking on Free Games over here. By doing this, we would be able to see the games that are available absolutely for free. The only free games available in Ubisoft, unfortunately, is only Roller Champions, Brawlhalla, and Trackmania over here. And there's also other games here that you could download for free, but some are demo just like these games over here. Another store platform that we're going to talk about is called Blizzard. I know a lot of people would know about Blizzard because they created one of the most iconic games such as World of Warcraft. The games that they offer are Warcraft games such as World of Warcraft Classic, Hearthstone, and World of Warcraft 3. They also offer games like Diablo, Diablo Immortal, Diablo 2, Diablo 3. There's also Overwatch over here and StarCraft over here. And that's it, guys. Those are the top websites to download free legal games into your computer. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.